How to enable or disable frame interpolation in DaVinci Resolve. First of all, open your project in DaVinci Resolve and go to the edit page. Find the clip you want to adjust in your timeline. Then go to the inspector panel in the top right corner. Scroll down and you will find retime and scaling. If it's not turned on, toggle it to enable. Click on it and it will show options. Choose retime process and you will see a drop down menu. To enable frame interpolation, change the retime process from project settings or nearest or frame blend to optical flow. Optical flow is DaVinci Resolve's advanced method that generates intermediate frames for smoother playback. It's especially useful when you are slowing down footage or converting frame rates. After setting it to optical flow, go a bit further by adjusting the motion estimation method. Right under the optical flow setting, choose between options like Enhanced Faster or Standard Better. This lets you control how detailed the interpolation process should be based on your system's performance and the quality you want. On the other hand, if you want to disable frame interpolation, simply set the retime process back to project settings, nearest or frame blend. These options don't generate new frames, so playback remains true to the original clip without extra smoothing. Lastly, make sure to render your clip to see the changes clearly. Sometimes the timeline preview might lag or not show the full effect unless it's rendered. And that's it. Now you know how to enable or disable frame interpolation in DaVinci Resolve. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more tech tips. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.